Hi guys, part 2 ay agad. And this is our new dog. We have two dogs. No, I have many dogs. But they all are born. That's when I was a kid. I have this cold tahe. But surgery in America. And I have fear of it. Because I have a rock in my tummy when I was giving birth. And I had three surgeries, and I puked. And this is my pops okay, guys. This may be hurt, but the old. Why am I not doing that? Because I have this. This is from to get skinny, and I'm always so. Hello! Magaling na ang sus na yan. Magaling na ang sus na yan. Ano ka? Sus na. Don't disturb it. So, this is so hurt. We'll just say ABC. Alright, guys. Girl, don't be shy. Okay. Oh. My God. What the heck? Oh my God, I thought this was over. Do you see? A black salad. This is called black salad. This is a pen. Black pen. So, before part 3, bye bye guys.